Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your love and work forecast for Geminis. Yes, friends, for the month of April. So, we're gonna look into how your April will be. And, friends, this is a general reading and it may resonate or it may not. So, take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, make sure to subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website and you can buy your own personal in-depth readings, charms readings, any sort of readings. Friends, head there to book your own readings. And thank you for donating. If you want to donate to our channel, friends, please email me through my website. Thank you so much. Many of you donated. Thank you so much. It means a lot. Friends, do subscribe our channel, because if you subscribe, you get a chance to win a free reading. At the end of every month, one person is selected for a free reading. Friends, one of our lucky subscribers is selected. So subscribe, like and share. And don't forget to watch the April pick a card readings. Friends, I have already done them, so make sure to check that out. More are coming. So let's see, Geminis, what is the theme of the month of April for you? Let's begin. April, Gemini. All right, this is a very, very romantic month for you. I feel this is an intense month for you, Geminis, the moon. So, definitely a lot of creativity, a lot of potential, a lot of intensity. Emotions are a bit high in this month for you, I feel. And yes, your focus is on past issues, karma, past life. What is going on in your life, what is the future? How much you have. Karma is on your mind, rewards, karma, those things are important for you in April. That's the theme for you. Is money coming your way? How much money is coming? How much are you working? Um, how much efforts you are putting? Are people giving back to you? There is a lot going on. You're also thinking about your past lives, your future lives, so definitely deep thoughts in April for Geminis. A lot of creativity. What's happening for Gemini's theme of the month? I do see that you will be working all night, or you are up more in April in the night. Six of Wands, yes, you are very busy. Especially you are trying to achieve success in some form of the way, like at your work you are aiming for success in. You might be having exams this month, so you want to top those exams, or you are working hard, so you are studying. You are definitely, I see you're busy or not. I don't feel like you will sleep this month a lot. I see you awake mostly trying to binge watch tarot readings, binge watch about spirituality, binge watch about your future, what you want to be, learn something, work on your career. I see that is happening. I also see this is a very romantic month for you. Yay, Gemini. So this is wonderful. You are connecting with this with a brand new you. I feel this is like you connecting Geminis with a new you. You are connecting with something new which was hidden from your sight, a new talent. Some of you may find a new talent in this month. Some of you may also, how do I say, rediscover a part of you which was lost. So you are reinventing yourself, definitely discovering yourself. So wonderful. Let's see who is coming in love. Ooh, Three of Swords. So let's see who is coming in love for Geminis in April. Who is coming in April for Geminis? Oh dear, dear, dear. Someone has broken your heart. Someone may have put you in third party. Someone may have broken your heart. I also see this person left you out and dry. They left you very cold. They left you out of the blue. Maybe they ghosted you, blocked you, or maybe without expecting, they just moved out and vanished into thin air. This person could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or this person was somebody who was like, I don't care, who was not at all open to love at that point of time. They are thinking about you, so definitely a past person is thinking about you. And I won't take all these cards, let's just shuffle them a little bit. Who is coming? I do see somebody from the past who ghosted you, who disappeared from your life out of the blue without saying. Someone who was not ready to receive your love, someone who was very cold hearted, very, very Someone maybe who was online friend, someone you met online or on dating site, someone you had a past with, they are coming. Yes, definitely. Page of Pentacles can be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. They could be any sun sign, but these are the signs I'm getting right now. So what will happen in Gemini's love life? Let's see that. Ooh, the King of Cups. Yes, this person is opening, they are trying to open their heart. The Hermit, the Justice. Oh my god, all major arcanas, the Page of Cups. Okay, Seven of Wands, Three of Wands, the Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, I do feel like this person has been in no contact with you since a very, very long time, but they have been watching you, keeping an eye on you, Gemini. I do see that this person will come back and try to, tell you that they are a different person. They have a lot of love for you. I do feel, but they keep it very hidden, or they keep it very, this person is like hard to understand. This is a very mysterious person. That's why you have the moon also, because I feel you nobody can understand this person. Even they can't understand themselves. So when this person comes back and tells you they love you, you are like, really? Are you sure? Are you even sure? Are you gonna run away again? You are asking this person some tough questions, and I think they have changed a lot with because of this separation from you, or this distance from you. But you will not be so quick to say yes to them this time. I also feel another new person coming for you, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. But you will not be very quick to say jump into the bed or jump into relationships this month, Geminis. You are smart, you are clever, you are like, I will weigh the options, I will see how it goes, because your sword is up and you are like, see, I'm valuable, you can't waste my time. So you are very, very I think you will be very clear, but still you will feel this intensity, this intense emotional connection with somebody. A Page of Cups. Yeah, I do feel this person and you might have an age gap, or this person has a maturity difference. Like, they are really cute, but at the same time, they are really, I don't want to say silly or stupid or immature, but I'm sorry, but that's how they are. Oh, God. So you may be like, can you trust this person, or you can't, because sometimes they are very, like, this person has a boyish charm, a girlish cuteness. They are very sweet, they are very adorable, but at the same time they are really immature. Like, they disappear, they break your heart, but they don't care. They shatter you to pieces, but they don't care. But I do feel you will not be so quick to accept them this time back. I do feel this time, Geminis, you gonna make them chase you. You will be like, please me if you can, run after me if you can, catch me if you can. So, yep, and I do feel they will try to meet you. They will try to expand this connection, definitely. And because they see your value, they see that you are doing the best, and they know that you are the one for them, so they do know that. I do feel you will give them a hard time. You won't be so easily pleased just by their hi, how are you. Nope, they have to show it in words, actions. They have to chase you. And definitely, Seven of Pentacles, you are playing the waiting game. You are playing the, there is that saying, either be the prey or the predator. Don't let them prey you, be the predator. Either get hunted or be the hunter. So I think you are the hunter this time. You're very witchy, you're very, very seductive also, Gemini. So you are like, let's see what you'll do, mister. Let's see. Oh God, I keep getting that song from the Trains. Hey Soul Sister by Train. I think that's. I hope I got the band right. You should listen to that song, Hey Soul Sister. It's a very beautiful song. I think they wanna sing that song to you. So not like in a sisterly way, but yeah, they wanna they're trying to woo you, but you are like giving them, catch me if you can. You are seductive, Geminis. You are not so pleased easily. And some of you could also be dealing with a relationship breakup, or like some legal issues. It will finalize for you, I hope, or some sort of a resolution, balance will come back into your love life that was missing from a very, very, very long time. But you have to be I do see you have to take care of your emotions, Gemini. The emotions are very high for you this month. So in April, just be a little soft and sweet. Don't be gentle with yourself. Let's see the advice for love. Yes, Nine of Cups, wish is coming true. Something is going to happen which will make you feel very, very happy. Someone will cry for you. Someone will beg you to come back. Someone will say sorry. I think it will make you feel, it will heal your heart, Geminis. Yes, balance 1111. This person could be your twin flame. Also, I do see that you may meet somebody new which is perfect for you, but it will be tough for you to trust this person because you had been through a lot, Geminis, and also because somewhere this person is very deep, they are very mysterious. So you are like, should I or shouldn't I? Base chakra, yeah. Confidence issues, attraction, there is a lot of seduction. You are attracting many people, Geminis. Your charms are on the high, and also you're gonna feel very happy. But I would suggest you, Geminis, to feel happy within, not to look for love outside, and also to keep your emotions in balance, to keep the competition, jealousy in balance, because I do feel you can feel a little insecure or jealous, not by because somebody else is making you feel, maybe they are, but by default, the energy is so intense for you, Gemini. So let's see how your work and career will be in this month. In April, for Geminis, their work, their career. Oh, the waiting game. So definitely, you're waiting for some things in work, conflict and defeat. You're busy with this month, authority. Yes, ooh, I'll have to pick that up. Suffering in silence. Oh my God, you're busy, very busy. So, spiritual strength. Yeah, I do feel you are connecting with your new gifts this month. You have a lot of untapped gifts, or you have a lot of talent in you, Geminis, and somewhere you may not be seeing that, or until up till in now, it was not revealed to you some certain gifts, some certain talents. Like you are a singer, you are an artist, or you will be doing something that you were used to do as a child, but now you will be doing something like that, something similar which you used to do years back, but you are coming back to it now. It will make you feel very happy. Suffering in silence. I do feel that you want to change things in your work and career, even in education. Like you want expansion, you want success. Some of you are waiting for a promotion or a job, but or you want to change, like you want to travel, but people are not letting you go. 9 9 is like, yes, keep your patience. I know nobody wanna hear that word again, patience, but you're very close, Geminis. You are very close to a new start or a positive change, a shift in your work, career, and education. So a little bit of patience. I do feel that authority. First of all, you are a leader, Geminis. You are connecting to your power. Secondly, you may not feel very happy with any sort of people trying to boss you around, whether it is family or friends. You will not feel happy. You may feel like conflicted or with arguments with the family, with bosses. So because you are powerful and you are right also, whatever your decisions are or your choices or suggestions are. So be careful, there might be some arguments. Also, if you are doing if you are a student, you may face some issues with parents or with the teacher or with some sort of a confusions with your group study friends or something. So just be a little patient. The waiting game, yes, I do see something is coming for you in your work, in your career, and your money or your education. But it will take some time, just a bit of time. You're almost there. It's not like it's gonna take forever. No, it will happen this month or by the end of this month. Some sort of a news is coming, some good messages are coming. So keep at it. Don't lose your patience, Geminis. I know it's tough, I know. What have we we have all been keeping up. Oh my god, oh my god, since 2020. So I know it's tough, it's not easy. This card wanna come out. Geminis, I do see travel. Some of you want to travel, so that's for sure. You want to travel or change your city or country. You are like, oh, I can't take this anymore. And you are connecting with something new. You are discovering a new you, Gemini. So, yes, connecting with spirituality, meditation, yoga, creativity, painting, anything. You will discover something you used to do or something you never knew you could do. Torch, spiritual development, enlightenment, awareness, and understanding. Yes, you are an inspiration to many. So go for it. Well, family wishes coming true. Yes, your wishes will come true. Gavel, involvement with the law. Yeah, I do feel that some of you could be dealing with a divorce or something, or some legal issues will be resolved in your favor. Money path, a path opening with money is waiting for you. And tankard, celebrations, fun, and enjoyment. So, yes, fun times, good times are coming for you, son. Happiness and well being is there for you. Tree affairs with your family. I do see that you are building a strong foundation in your career. That is why this good news is taking just a little bit of weight. Wedge, someone is trying to come between you and another person. Lightning, oh, control your anger. I do feel, Geminis, you're very powerful, but you may feel a bit emotional this month. And if authority or somebody tells you, like, don't do this, you will snap at them. I don't know why, but yeah, I do see that happening. So just a bit of patience. I know nobody want to hear that. I know you don't want to hear the word patience. Please don't shout at me. All right, marriage will take place either romantic or business. So, yeah, ring, a beautiful commitment is coming your way. Owl, good of advice from a wise person. Yeah, I think I'm the owl in your life. I don't know, there can be other owls too. But yes, good advice, good suggestions are coming. May is important for some of you. Quill, get back to the basics. Yeah, you are learning something. You are discovering yourself, Gemini. So, learn. This is a time of learning because soon you are going to be promoted. Soon you are going to share that knowledge. You are going to be the torch to the world. Deep personal strength and peace that assures success, and moon changes in your life, and you have twice the moon energy. So, what an intense, powerful month for you, Gemini. Subscribe, Magic Wins Tarot, like, and share. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.